What if the key to stronger muscles after 60 isn't in a pill, but on your plate in a food with 10 times the protein power of an egg? Imagine a woman in her 70s. For years, she felt her energy fading, her steps becoming unsure. Her doctor said it was a normal part of aging. But she discovered one powerful, natural protein and everything changed. In just weeks, her vitality surged back, leaving her medical team amazed. Today we'll count down the top sources of this transformative nutrient. But the number one pick isn't what most experts preach. Before we start, tell us in the comments what's your age, and what city are you tuning in from? If you find this helpful, please support our mission here on Healthy Lifestyle. Let's dive in. Number 6. Chickpeas, the humble strength stabilizer. We rarely give this legume credit for building muscle, yet science confirms it's a powerhouse of plant-based protein for mature adults. Chickpeas provide the critical building blocks for repairing tissue, especially when eaten as part of a balanced meal. But the protein is only the beginning. They are also loaded with key minerals: zinc for immune function, potassium for nerve signals, and fiber for steady digestion. They're gentle on the stomach, perfect for those who find meat hard to process. And by nurturing your gut, they help your body utilize every gram of protein you consume. Number 5. Chia seeds, the miniature protein dynamo. Tiny but mighty, these seeds deliver a remarkably complete plant protein profile. They contain all the essential amino acids, making their quality rival that of dairy or eggs. For seniors managing everyday aches, chia seeds bring a bonus. They're packed with omega-3 south that helps soothe the body. They're easily digested, offering a smooth source of fuel without burdening your system. This gentle absorption means your muscles get the repair materials they need without delay. Number 4. Ricotta cheese, the sustained release secret. Athletes have long used this, but its value for older adults is now undeniable. It features a casein protein that breaks down gradually, delivering a constant stream of amino acids over hours. This slow drip is perfect during sleep, when your body does its deepest recovery and rebuilding. Ricotta is also a treasure of phosphorus and vitamin A, supporting bone density and cellular health. For maintaining stability and power, these nutrients are non-negotiable. Number 3. Skyr, the long-acting yogurt. This Icelandic yogurt is dense with premium protein that aids muscle upkeep. Studies indicate foods like Skyr can kickstart muscle synthesis for many hours after eating, which is a game changer for older individuals. Its superpower, though, is gut harmony. It's rich in probiotics that enhance digestion, nutrient uptake, and defense systems. A happier gut means far more efficient protein absorption, which is vital when combating muscle loss. Number 2. Kidney beans, the balanced sustainer. Don't let their simplicity fool you. These beans offer a robust mix of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. A major benefit is their role in maintaining steady energy levels. Many older adults face challenges with blood sugar swings, which can drain strength and slow down repair. Kidney beans promote a diverse gut environment, and modern science reveals a direct link between gut vitality and muscle preservation. Better digestion equals better protein use. Number 1. Pea protein, the age-defying activator. This is the most scientifically supported option for mature adults, and no, it's not just for gym enthusiasts. Clinical studies show that pea protein can jumpstart the muscle-building process that typically declines with time. It is abundant in branched-chain amino acids, particularly one that signals your body to maintain and grow muscle tissue. For those over 60, this signal is crucial to overcoming the body's resistance to rebuilding. Evidence is clear. Seniors using high-quality pea protein see gains in power, faster walking, improved agility, and quicker recovery. It digests with ease, making it ideal for sensitive stomachs or low appetite. Conclusion: your tools for a vigorous life. Strength after 60 isn't about lifting the heaviest weight. It's about eating the right kind of fuel. Chickpeas, chia seeds, ricotta, skyr, kidney beans, and pea protein. These aren't just dietary items. They are instruments for a vigorous, independent life. They help you maintain energy, support lean mass, calm inflammation, and boost overall wellness. Your strongest years can still be ahead of you. Powered by your next meal. If this video showed you a new path forward, please like it to help the Healthy Lifestyle channel reach more people. Comment below with which protein you'll try first, and subscribe for more.